Good morning.
Good morning.
Rise and shine. So we're gonna dive into some breakfast options.
Yeah, we're gonna be making a really nice, warming, good morning breakfast porridge with brown rice, coconut cream, ginger, cinnamon, all the things that would kind of make you feel cozy. So the first step we wanna do is we're gonna add short grain brown rice, water, and then we're just gonna mince up some ginger. So I'll start with the ginger. I have this skin on because it is organic ginger. So we can use that. We don't have to peel it. We're just gonna rinse it up really nicely. We're doing around 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon and a half.
And so important to get the organic options when it does come to a really thin skin.
Yeah, exactly. If you're gonna be using the skins and not peeling things, that's when this really comes in handy.
Fantastic. I like this. Okay.
Okay, so just throw it in the pot.
I love the idea too that like this is also a recipe, you're probably thinking to yourself, I'm not gonna put a pot on the stove in the morning potentially. I'm getting the kids out the door, we're rushing around. You could always prep this in advance, which is something that is fantastic. So take a Sunday evening or whatever it might be, prep a couple days in advance. What would you suggest? 3 to 5 days this is good in the fridge?
Totally. Okay. Yeah, or even double or triple the recipe and then you're set. Yeah.
Perfect.
So let's put this on the stove and get that started. So the next step is to add the coconut cream.
And the coconut cream, we're not looking at like no non-fat options. Everything is just straight as it should be.
Yeah.
Okay, very important part of the recipe, I'm sure.
Yeah. Some cinnamon.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do some coconut in here.
Oh, wow.
That's just gonna soften as we cook it. And then some maple syrup, up to your own sweetness standards, but I like it a little sweeter. And then from there, we're gonna put it back onto the burner and we're just gonna give it about 10 to 15 minutes. And then the coconut cream will get a lot thicker and it'll absorb into the rice. So don't feel like it's gonna be too runny. It'll get to a stage where it's be perfect.
And I should point out too, anybody that is looking like for options when they're hoping to stay a little bit fuller longer in the mornings, this is gonna be a great option for that. I know for myself doing a lot of athletics, I would have this because it's gonna help to give me energy for a longer duration. So really good idea on this one.
Thank you. So this is exactly what we want. See how nice and creamy that looks?
So that is thanks to the coconut milk really absorbing into the rice.
Yeah.
Awesome, okay.
Yeah, and this is that's really gonna make what makes the brown rice a porridge.
So this is the really fun part.
Yeah, the eating part.
Let's have some breakfast. That's usually our fun part, isn't it?
Let's put some of this in here. Oh. And then, we're just gonna garnish this with a little bit of sunflower seeds. You can always do whatever you want. It's just gonna add cinnamon. I always like to have any kind of one of my dishes look nice, so it's always a nice reward. It doesn't matter if it's a Tuesday or Wednesday. It's always good to treat yourself and just have everything beautiful. So.
Oh, I like the play on that one. Now, I want you to try it first.
All right. I actually have tried it. How about you try it first?
Deal. Okay.
Let's try it second.
Get right into here. Jeremy, you've done it again.
It's a really nice balance between sweet, between savory. It has a nice
The ginger that is in here mixed with the coconut. I couldn't have a better option. And the cinnamon too.
Yeah.
Way to go.
Thank you.
Delicious. Okay. This will be my breakfast probably for the next 3 months in the winter. So if you want to check out the recipe, check it out in the link below. We also would love you to hit subscribe on the side of the video. We are always looking for feedback. So if you want to send us any ideas of your own, or if you want us to make anything different too, as we head into spring as well, I'm sure you've got lots of ideas coming and we would love to hear from you.
Yes, please.
Plants out.
Plants out.